I feel very great to teach you all. So let's begin our topic. Now we are in different sources of water. Okay, different sources of drinking water. You know, no children, there is a few sources for drinking water, isn't it? So let us see what are those sources. Okay, so water is available in many natural resources. Okay, like ocean. You know, our planet is full of water. For example, 70% water is in our planet. Okay, which is not useful for our purposes. So only 1 or 2% of water only we can use for our daily requirements. Okay, but not all the water sources are available, okay, for drinking purposes. So water should be boiled, okay, to kill the germs in it. If you drink water without boiling, definitely you will affect by bacteria or germ that will cause you, okay, definitely, which is not good for your health. So only when it is suitable, okay, for drinking, if you boil the water, okay, then or you can filter the water and use for drinking purposes. So a few sources of water are rain, okay, well, river, lake and streams. We know, children, okay, all these terms because we have already these terms in our previous chapters, isn't it? So you know all those things. Okay, now look over here, children. Let us write. Now here rearrange the jumble letters to find out the different sources of water. So here, for example, rain has done for you. So rest of other resources are jumbled. So we have to arrange the letters in proper way so we can read. So we can know the different sources of water. For example, the first letter is lake. Okay, the second word is well. The third one is pond. Okay, and next is sea, stream, and the last is ocean. Let us discuss, children. Okay, look, just observe this picture. Okay, now here observe these pictures. Put a tick for the water, okay, which is good for drinking. Discuss about this with your friends. Okay, look at this first picture, children. Okay, it is a underground water, so we can drink. If you boil this water, you can drink. Okay, good for health. And this is also the second picture also, it's very good for drinking purposes. If you boil the water, germs and bacteria killed by themselves. The third picture, which is not suitable for drinking purposes, okay, which is full of mud, contaminated water. And this fourth picture is, it's very good for our health, okay, pot water. Instead of fridge water, pot water is very good for our health. Okay, and this pump water is not suitable for drinking purposes. Okay, but you can use for agriculture purpose and not suitable for drinking purpose. The next picture is water, contaminated. Okay, that is ocean water or sea water. which is not good for our health. Okay, and the well water is we can drink. Okay, we can use it, and this water is a mountain water, so it is a mountainous water, so it is suitable for drinking purposes. I hope you would have understood the lesson very well. You just watch the video repeatedly. It will help you to make out clearly.